My turn. Hey everybody, Josh Chernov, the RV Operations Manager for OET, piloting Little Herc. Yeah, place, I don't know, memorable, I guess I'm going to go with the most memorable place that I slept outside. Did a hiking trip along the southern coast of Crete.
Ooh.
And did a lot of, we were camping, but we slept out a lot, just because it was hot and it was nice to do that, a lot cooler. But that was a pretty memorable several days along the south coast there.
Hi everyone, I'm Tim Bullman. I'm one of the ROV team on board. First trip on Nautilus. Aside from that, I work on a couple of different science vessels mostly and some kind of documentary filming things. Probably the most favorite place I slept outside.
Coming in.
I'll pause that for the science.
Holding.
Urchin.
No, really?
Spongy.
It's a sponge,
Spongy?
yeah, that's what an
Got
urchin.
me second guessing
It's
myself.
got like a center, it's kind of vase-like.
This is a pom-pom sponge?
Oh, come on.
Don't even say that in this room.
That's taboo.
Probably most memorable place I've slept outside wasn't really free air, but probably in my boat off of the west coast of BC in Canada.
Nice.
Nice.
So even if other people call it a mega yacht, you still call it a boat?
Oh no, it's a small boat. It's
He bought the octopus.
yeah. And then I guess a honorable mention of that would be Jasper National Park on a camping trip many years ago on mountain biking and camping.
Wow.
That's a pretty
Nice.
scenic area.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Very cool.
That's me. Ed, I'm the video operations manager for OET, controlling the cameras and the audio over here. And I'm just going to go with the last place. Nothing really remarkable, but we love to go camping, and we got a caravan last year and just been using the heck out of it. So we went up into the Cascade Mountains of Washington, and we're between Leavenworth and Wenatchee. Had a really fun trip, I think, the weekend before I came out here.
Is that considered the North Cascades?
Yeah, I would go
love
with
it
that.
up there. It's beautiful.
Cool, and Mikhail.
I'm Mikhail Rosashonsky. I'm an electrical design engineer working for Deep Sea Power and Light in San Diego, California. And on this expedition, we are testing out our new MXDC cam. So all of the shots you see in front of you are captured by that camera. And basically, I'm here just to babysit most of the telemetry coming in and out of the camera, and also clip some highlights for us to take back home. I'd say a recent memorable sleeping outside event that I had would be in Joshua Tree National Park. It's kind of close to San Diego. It's just east, I think northeast of that. We do some outdoor climbing there, really nice boulders, really nice wall faces. So it's really nice. It's more of like a deserty climate, really cold at night, but really hot during the day, during the summer. And a really nice star viewing there as well.
I will zoom in, please.
Is that a rock?
Say again?
Circle a rock.
I will zoom in, please.
Copy.
That's a sponge.
No, it's a sponge. A Farreidae, perhaps? Not quite as structured as a Farreidae.
There's a few of those kind of.
Okay. Did someone...
I got it, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
All right, we're
come
good.
wide, please.
Looks like those shower, what are they called? Floofer?
Loofah.
Loofah. Floofer. Jeez.
Floof. Fluffy.
In Raro, they're called floofers. Jeez.
They are not. I don't believe you.
I don't believe you either.
Mikhail, are you from the San Diego area originally, or did you move there?
I am not. I'm actually from NorCal, and originally I'm from Russia. So moved here. Our family moved here in 2006, and then we even lived in NorCal. Sorry, I had a little brain fart. Lived in NorCal for a while, and then I moved to San Diego to go for undergrad at UCSD.
Ah. And if you're looking to buy a MXD, don't forget to use the code McHale.
McHale 20. Yeah.
McHale 20% off your first MXD.
So that it only costs 520,000.
No, it's actually 20% off your second MXD. The first one's full price.
20, yeah. Gotta buy 2.
You always need a spare.
Yeah.
Well, that's the introduction to our team. To all our listeners, again, thank you for being here with us as we're exploring, heading up this sea mount. We have people coming in from the US, Canada, Singapore, Philippines, Papua New Guinea. Is this the first time we've had anyone from PNG?
I think so.
Wow. We also have people from Norway, Germany, Australia, and the United Arab Emirates. Welcome.
That little floaty up to the left.
Just past us.
You want that little ctenophore?
I don't think it was a ctenophore.
You don't think it was a ctenophore?
I thought it was a
Oh,
siphonophore.
Oh, siphonophore. All right, well, we'll see if Ed can get a focus on it.
Yeah, sure, that'd be easy. How's that?
It's great.
That is in focus, but
Gonna hold there and see if we can fly it.
what the hell is it? Oh, is it a...
Oh,
Gonna go a little tighter. It's getting closer.
can we turn the lasers off?
Double it. Double
Double
it.
it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Oh, it's really close.
It's hard with that background.
Yeah.
yeah.
All right, I'm good.
That was
Well,
fun.
nice.
Whoopsies, we also have someone from Sweden. I am so sorry, Sweden. For some reason you're not turning up on our radar. It's that VPN that you've got going on.
Ant, do you want to... You turn on the Sweden filter every time you sit down. Do you want to turn it off? I don't know what your deal is.
It's just, I don't know, it's something I have against Sweden. It was an ex-partner, probably. How deep will you guys go? Currently, we are at 4,051 meters. This is our second dive on this leg. In the previous one, we broke Little Hercules' dive record for going over 5,000 meters deep, which was exciting. And this time we're just a little bit shallower, and we are gently climbing.
Yeah, so we'll end this dive around 2,900, 2,800 meters. And really excited to see what we see at the top of this seamount.
I'm excited. Even just the new terrain I find exciting. The abyssal plain that we had in the last dive I found started to go a little bit monotonous.
What are those groups right there? Have you guys been looking at those? I don't
What
have the telly.
groups? Groups of grapes?
Yeah. Those lighter colored 2 groupings right there. I don't have lasers on. In between those rocks, straight dead ahead.
Yeah, we'll zoom in.
Don't they look
Oh, yeah, I see them. Grapes.
Deep sea grapes.
Oh, wow.
What is that?
That is very
different?
weird.
We just went over another
It does.
group of those.
That is
It
very
looks
strange.
like broken up holothurian feces.
I have
I think
never
they
looked
might
so
be.
closely at poo.
That is...
Or, oh, is that the deep sea tater tot that I've been hearing so much about?
That's the popcorn chicken.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Good eye, Ed. I did not
Is
see
that
that
like
at all.
the jelly bean trick test. Is it popcorn chicken or something else?
I don't think we have a sea log button for that.
I use the other.
That is if anything is
the other
other, it was
category.
that.
It's the type other.
We need to talk to the team to register the popcorn chicken option.
Small sediment balls, likely eroded holothurian fecal matter.
Someone's gonna be like, God, they took their job so seriously.
So, hey Adam, all these rocks that we're seeing here, is it likely that they all contain like manganese or cobalt?
Yes, so everything that we're probably laying our eyes on, our digital eyes, what is that long straight
Yeah,
thing
what's that
there?
tube?
That's,
Or
I think, a dead stalk.
Oh, it's my
Okay.
fishing
I think
rod.
there's 2 of them right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, zoom in.
It's a big stalk.
in.
If we're
Yeah,
just gonna
that's
see
true.
sponges that big, we're in for a treat.
oh wow,
Oh,
Like that?
maybe
Oh,
it's
yeah.
just a stick.
It's
can we
just
get
a
lasers?
stick?
Oh
Or
no,
are the-
look, the
Oh,
one on the right
there's a
has a
hold
base.
fast,
Yeah, it has a hold.
Yeah, we're gonna see
Yeah.
some big sponges up above, guys.
Crazy.
Or
we get
Gandalf.
lasers on for 2 seconds?
Lasers on.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Okay.
This
out.
would be the
Rad.
perfect, who was it that was talking about the Instagram or TikTok channel about the sticks? When people find their sticks and they submit their,
Oh yeah, this wouldn't even be fair.
this would be the best, we'd win. I don't know what
Uh,
we'd win, but we would.
So everything that we see that's rock and not sediment here is manganese oxyhydroxide, iron oxyhydroxide, containing all those rare transition metals and whatnot. But underneath most of that is volcanic rock, most likely basalt, and maybe not these teeny tiny pieces, but all the stuff that looks like outcrop and big boulders and whatnot. There's this thick coating of manganese crust, and underneath it, volcanic rock. And sometimes we can see like the original volcanic forms. They've just been kind of smoothed over by this precipitated crust over millions of years.
Buttery, flaky crust.
Crispy.
Crispy,
Crispy,
buttery,
flaky.
crispy, flaky.
This is the second time we've seen one of these Brisingids with a white little thing next to it. I wonder if we could zoom in on that. Maybe an amphipod. Josh is like, thank God they didn't want something to the right again.
Zoom in, please.
Yep.
Is that a, oh,
It actually kind of looks like a polychaete. You got any more?
Like that?
Whoa,
Oh, a little scale worm.
it's a big one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Look at that surface.
Yeah, unrelated to the Brisingid, I think. Just that Brisingid looked like it getting
All right, we'll come
blown
back,
against
please.
the
Yeah.
rock, shaped by the wind, if you will.
what are we labeling that as?
Brisingid.
Scale worm,
That was-
Brisingid and scale worm. Two unlikely organisms, best friends for life.
We've got a comment here. I noticed you have some weird looking sponges. I think they're all weird looking. Do you know what they are and how cold is the water?
Well, we can tell you we've seen a lot of different types of sponges. We've seen earlier, and actually throughout the dive, a lot of Hyalonema sponges. We've been seeing some Sacocalix, and what was that one we just, and some Farreidae, something with that started with a C. I looked at it like just a minute
The
ago.
ping pong one?
Whoa, that's, yeah, ping pong sponges.
The
Roseliid.
ping pong one is the chondrocladia.
Chondrocladia. So a huge variety of sponges, and we can tell you with great assurance what the temperature is maybe.
It's 1.44 maybe.
1.44 maybe.
I'm not so convinced about that though. I'm more into the maybe.
I guess
I'm with you on that, May.
it wouldn't surprise me. Do you think
so?
that's too low?
I think it's too low.
Yeah.
I think it's too low, and we're at like 4,000 meters. Also, we've been just seeing like 1.3, 1.4.
For
Kinda.
the entire...
Yeah, on the previous
What's
dives.
that
Oh, there's a
range?
shrimp. It's a shrimp. Yeah.
Oh, that's a long stalked thingy.
Let's take a look at that.
I think the temperature should be in the twos.
Herc and Atalanta centers are mirrored
Oh yeah.
with that feature.
Oh, zoom in, please.
Coming in.
Well, looks like it's overgrown with hydroids, whatever
Yeah.
it was.
Looks like a dead stalk and hydroids.
Or maybe that's the actual, what it's supposed to look like. Anyway, long stalk thing.
Going to be quite interesting as an experiment. It's an expensive experiment. Is planting stalks down at the seafloor and seeing what colonizes them.
Yeah.
Well,
TJ's laughing.
Essentially
She
an
thinks it's dumb.
artificial reef.
yeah, there's been some interesting experiments of putting fake nodules on the seafloor to see if they would have similar microbial communities as the ones that live on real nodules.
What would what would be the differences between a real and fake one?
They used several different test materials. Some of them were more like clay, some of them were more like rocks. They were all relatively similar size, but just made up of different materials.
Yeah.
And all human-made.
My contribution of the marshmallow one did not work out. It's gone pretty quickly.
But yeah, the findings were that they did not support microbial communities to the same degree as nodules.
Oh, look, there's another one there. A big. We've got two interesting things. How do we decide?
What's the other interesting thing?
A big holothurian.
Cucumber 1 or cucumber 2?
Podes.
I like this purple one.
There you go, zoom in, please.
Coming in.
It's grape flavored. That's very pretty.
Oh,
there we go.
A little jet.
gosh.
Oh, drop
Oh,
that ballast.
Wow,
There you
I'm
go.
highlighting that for science, of course.
Can we turn the lasers off? Thanks. Wow,
Nicely done.
it's really scooting
I'm
along.
good. I think
that
probably got to move, huh?
It should be getting closer to us, but it
It's
feels like
bouncing.
it's going further away.
Oh, it's waving at us?
Yeah, we're
Good
definitely
form.
drifting back.
Good form.
Okay, I'll come by, please.
Yeah.
Look at this, it's like it's paved, yeah? These big,
Yeah, big slabs.
the oldest road.
Definitely older than the oldest road.
Hey, Johan, how's our progress along our trek?
We're doing pretty good. We are probably a little ahead of schedule.
Yeah. I was talking to Rennie. He was saying that we could keep scooting along the summit if we have extra time, or slow down.
Yeah, that was kind of my thought. We have this little half circle up here, but we could spend more time.
Yeah.
Is that a big wall out there to the
I think so, yeah.
starboard?
Yeah. Can't reach.
TJ,
Out of my reach.
how cool would it be if we saw like a vaca
So you have another
down there?
couple of meters.
Yo, that'd be
I
sick.
won't be able to get all the
I
way
would
over
probably cry.
Okay.
That would be pretty
I'll cry with
amazing.
you.
I'm going to cry because I don't know what you're referring to.
Oh,
It's a boat, right?
The traditional canoe,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Because, I mean, just as we were talking the other evening, talking about Pacific migration, right, and all the canoes that cross this great expanse of ocean.
Is that a shadow? Yeah.
Imagine the ones that didn't make it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they were made out of wood, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I wonder.
They'd probably be gone.
Yeah, I'm not sure. They would have to be something a bit more contemporary to last all those years.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that wall.
That is awesome.
Yeah,
It's a spectacular wall, yeah.
it's really
Like
cool.
a stack of lobates and pillow lavas.
And looking from the Atalanta, it's just, you can help appreciate how big it is.
Yeah, it's a good shot from Atalanta.
Got a question here. Do creatures like the glass sponges and sea stars show up white due to the lights? Or is there some other reason? They seem to contrast the rocks a lot on camera.
Yeah, they show up white because they are white. Like it's not due to the kind of type of light we're shining on them. There's a lot of organisms. In fact, most that we've seen here are white. There's no real kind of evolutionary benefit to having color down here. A lot of that color that you do see is vestigial from organisms that live shallower and needed color and have moved into these deep sea niches. Amanda was saying that it can be metabolically taxing to produce color as well, so no real need for it.
You think that clear channel of sediment at the base of the wall is a result of currents?
Yeah, I think it's piling up there, basically, that it's kind of covered the stuff underneath it.
Okay.
Josh, do you agree that Hercules' sonar looks inverted? Showing the wall on the port side.
If you want to take this, I'll switch to sonar.
What,
Oh yeah,
what was
please.
the corals about?
Uh,
Adam sent you,
I mean, if you pull it up
Amanda
on your
sent
thing,
you
it's
coral.
maybe even easier.
Yeah, that's the black coral that they saw. I just wanted to see what it looked like.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, let me see. Alternatipathes.
I think so.
Oh, lucky you.
Oh,
You get to see us
get to meet
go.
Asako.
Looks like you're coming up slightly. I don't know if that's your Z bias or...
Okay, situated here now.
Awesome.
We're just going to climb up this wall.
Someone said that they saw a couple of boats in the mapping sonar, but they look more contemporary than ancient. Apparently Nautilus found wooden boats in the Gulf of Mexico.
Yeah.
And what's MBARI?
MBARI, the Monterey Bay Area, or Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute.
Aha, they found several off the coast of California.
That kind of looks like an impact structure.
Yeah. It's like little tracks in the sediment.
Yeah, something's living even in that little bit of
that
sediment.
That little patch.
Yeah.
We are at 4,000 meters, smack bam.
There's definitely people who've gone, and actually Nautilus has gone around looking for meteorite fragments in the ocean floor.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Yeah, there was...
It was with ONC.
I know there was one expedition that was successful in retrieving some too.
Wow. Where?
I think it was near Papua New Guinea.
Papua New Guinea. PNG.
I'll take a look at that if we get a chance.
Okay.
It's probably how they made Bilbo Baggins' mithril vest using meteorites.
Is that true?
What's that? What did you say? Oh, you're making stuff up?
No, I'm just using my imagination to about the minerals.
I'm gonna guess sea pig.
Yeah, you're a New Zealander. You can't make stuff up about Lord of the Rings or The Hobbit because people will believe you.
Like what is it? The nodes of what is it? Ravier?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Ranvier.
Okay, so I've directed us to a rock, perhaps?
Sediment patch.
Let's zoom in there.
Oh, no, don't do that.
No.
Can we just zoom in on the sand?
It's pom-pom sponge.
There's
I'm
nothing
stretched out as far as I can go there anyway.
Yeah,
So.
that's all we
you
can
come
get.
back the other way.
Yeah, that's why.
So I saw the controls of the ROV yesterday, had a closer look, and I take back my statement of how easy it would be. I think it would be difficult.
100%. You got to pay attention to like 50 different things at once.
And if you're flying the primary ROV, you still have to keep track of where the vessel is and where Atalanta is.
It's nice that we have a team to help out, though. The navigator's keeping an eye on everything for us, and so is everybody, really.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a team effort.
Yeah, can you imagine being the only one in this room driving around?
Holy cow.
The dives would be much shorter, and there'd be a lot more repair time needed on the ROVs.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's a weird
Or whatever Gandhi
there.
said.
I better get centered in front of Atalanta again.
I guess when you're a sub driver, though, you're
Well, that's it's a little bit different because you have no cable connecting you to the surface vessel, so you're a little bit freer to maneuver.
You don't have to worry about the other systems.
No. Yeah. They do call down and tell you which direction to go often, but
I don't know if you saw on the previous watch or maybe it was the one before, they saw those double tracks again.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Cool. That was only the second time we've seen them, I guess, right?
Yeah, and it was also in kind of a confined sediment pool.
And was it like angular or loopy?
Angular. A lot of angular.
Like deer tracks.
Wow.
They remind me of
I wonder what those are.
hermit crabs when they walk across the sand. They scoop scoop right and left and scoop right and left.
just get a little closer to the seabed here.
Is that over on the left? No, it's just a ledge, eh?
Is that a new waypoint that we're at?
Just about. Yeah, waypoint 5.
We made it.
Funny, I don't see it.
We're still a few 100 meters away. You'll see the flags.
Okay, yeah.
In about 200 meters.
Traffic cones.
It's a cool little lava ledge.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Brisingid. It looks like...
Can you look a close look at that one?
No, I think we know what it is.
Okay.
Keep going. That looks like the edge of a pool or something, yeah?
Yeah.
Sometimes when we see slopes like this, we'll see less stuff growing because it can be actively moving, so hard for stuff to attach and grow.
Mm.
And what are the folks at home having to say about all this?
About what we're seeing?
Just in general, what are they chiming in with?
Not a lot of nice things.
Oh. Oh, good. Filter those out.
But there is, despite the contentious things, there are still people that appreciate healthy science.
Oh, good. Yeah, I mean...
Healthy science?
Healthy science.
What does healthy science look like?
What's unhealthy science?
Unethical.
Oh, unethical, that's...
But, you know, like us and everyone else watching, this is the first time people have seen this part of the seafloor, which is pretty amazing.
It's a shrimp.
does look like a small version, yeah.
That's ROV right now is a fairly concentrated light pool. Kind of try and spread that out between dives.
We've got a question in. Because these places have never seen light of any kind, would the chemistry change on the seabed the light touches?
That's an interesting question. I don't think that our light produces nearly enough energy to, say, catalyze a chemical reaction or break any bonds.
Mikhail could probably provide some information on the heat output.
Heat output, yeah.
Yeah, I don't think there's... Although I'm not sure if he's...
So my guess is no. Also because we do a lot of chemical measurements in these areas and tend to not see, or tend to see kind of consistent conditions for the depth for the area of the ocean, etc. I guess also we have deployed kind of long-term experiments where we're making those measurements and lights go on and off to collect images every once in a while, and don't see any changes in those instances, but maybe it's very local and very brief and not detectable. I'd take a look at this if you have a moment.
Yeah.
Sponge.
We shall see.
Try and settle with it mid-screen here. You can go for zoom.
Okay, it is a sponge. It's got a nice little set of hairs attaching it to the rock. Very ball-like.
I'm gonna find it. There it is.
You can see just in the top left corner there, a cluster of that stuff again.
Oh, the tater tots?
The popcorn chicken.
I don't know what that one is, but we'll have to mark it as other, I suppose.
Our team just got a shout out. Thank you to everyone for not just letting us, the general public, join, but also reading and answering their questions. You guys are so welcome. It's actually our pleasure to have people join us from around the world, so thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button in the face.
Oh boy, I don't have one for that.
Yeah, I don't feel like we have very many in the guide for like small stalks, you know?
Yeah.
All the stalks are like really tall and long,
Yeah,
but they don't have like
stalks.
these like fibrous short stalked sponges.
Yeah, is it Poliopogon even in here?
I'm gonna check the NOAA guide.
No.
I got gifted a sponge once. It was from either the Solomon Islands or Papua New Guinea.
What did it look like? Was it shallow water?
It was a shallow water sponge and it was very fluffy.
Oh, nice.
I was told to use it in the shower, but I didn't. No, I lied, I did, just to give it a go.
I don't think you'd want to use these ones in the shower.
No.
They'd tear you up pretty good.
Yeah.
Good for exfoliation, perhaps?
Extreme exfoliation.
Maybe a little bit of chelation.
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 Well, that's good. We could have used that on our favorite scientific words section. Oh, look at that awesome pillow.
Oh yeah, it's a big one.
What's the characteristics of lava pillows?
I take a snap zoom on this if you...
Yeah, let's do a zoom there. A floating zoom.
Oh yeah. I think that's the saccocalyx.
Do you want to get this one? Awesome.
Yeah. Well, and there's that same little round one. I think that's the dim sum and garlic clove sponge.
Oh, I think I found it. Is it this?
Yay. Oh.
Wait, wait for the base.
Wait for it.
Guess it might just be a couple boulders.
Wait for it. Yep.
Right?
I see it. Yep, that's it.
Okay, nice.
The characteristics of a pillow.
It's like a little bit of an amphitheater almost.
Yeah.
This was the earlier one though. The one that we just saw was that one, yeah.
And then I took a shot with both of them.
Okay, cool.
There's a star right up ahead.
Up above the lasers?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Let's take a look if you got the time.
We also have stars in our audience. All of you guys.
What was the other sponge before that one?
Saccocalyx.
What page is that one on?
70, 71. We don't need to get to
Can you do a swimming zoom?
70, 71,
Yes,
72.
got it.
Nice.
Holding partial.
A lot of
Brisingid with
these.
a little bit of color, yeah? A little bit pinky.
Oops.
Oh, you're good. Need any more of that, Science?
No, I'm happy.
Copy.
A lot of these.
Go wide whenever.
Wide, yeah.
Thank you.
Cool.
Lots of places to hide here, yeah?
Yeah.
You see the little gastropod feeding tracks on the
Yeah.
rock? That's pretty cool.
It's cool.
Nice shot from Atalanta, too.
So given all the sea life, this is a question, given all the sea life, sponges and biodiversity, what do we think mining could do to these spaces?
Well, mining would definitely disrupt these spaces, especially because most of the organisms that we've seen require rock to attach to. I really doubt that this seamount would ever be the subject of mining because it's just hard to get the manganese crust. So it's more like the areas that we were yesterday, these nodule fields.
Like this one?
It's probably not big enough, yeah. Yesterday we drove for 10 kilometers and saw nodules all the way.
Plus we're on a slope, which would
Yeah,
be
but
a bit tricky.
there's, you know, certainly the possibility or the idea that mining just in the region could impact these areas through the sediments produced. Maybe not the sediments produced when you pick them up, but, you know, when you potentially release water or release stuff mid-water. But I think people don't know all the answers yet, so really useful to kind of get these observations, see what's in the area, so that good decisions can be made about what to protect.
We've got greetings from Alaska.
Hey, all right.
So special to be seeing this with us.
Who's there from Alaska?
Are there specific organisms or features of the ocean floor you're hoping to see on this expedition? So the primary purpose of this survey that we're doing now is to collect high resolution visual and environmental data. That's through our quantitative surveys on the distribution and diversity of benthic megafauna, also the substrate types.
I'm going to ask where in Alaska because we have Sitka and Anchorage represented on board.
Oh. Maybe Kamchatka.
I'm going to guess Anchorage at Tudor and Muldoon up against the mountains.
Let me take a look at that.
Yes. Let's get a little bit closer first.
Closer.
Is that a siphonophore again? I don't see how it is attached.
Kind of. There's a lot of strands coming
like
off
one
the bottom.
really thin one.
Might have to do this as a floater.
Oh man.
Okay, go ahead and zoom.
Coming in, I'm going to lose it without a tilt up.
Tilt up.
Wow.
And holding there.
Trying to center you.
Oh, you know, this looks like that one we saw where it kind of like twirled apart. The flying spaghetti monster.
And we're knocking its food loose, right? It's got a bunch
You
of
can
anchors
zoom
down,
more
right?
if
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually got
it's
big
unstable
ones.
enough.
Trying to find it.
Wow. It's attaching with those long.
Yeah.
I can bring that out a little more. Nope.
That's
And
cool.
wide, please.
Wide, yeah.
Thank you.
The answer to the Alaska? Hi, from Anchorage,
There we go.
Valley of the Moon.
Ah, there. Oh man, that's right where I used to live on 19th, down by Rocket Park.
What's Arctic and fireweed?
It's the two streets. So oh man, this has really gone way back. That's where our daughter's school was, Northern Lights Elementary.
Wow.
Just going to speed up and get out ahead of Atalante again.
Yeah, do your
I wonder
thing.
if that's Matthew.
Isn't that a weird one?
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know.
Is
I don't
it like a
understand
second
what
thing up above?
I don't know what's going on. in there.
Wow.
That'd be kind of shocking if you're from Anchorage and you dial into a vessel in the Cook Islands and say, hey, I'm visiting from watching you guys from Alaska. And then they call out your neighborhood.
Anders, is your mic low or is that just me?
It's me intentionally.
Okay.
I'm still eating.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Those are meatballs.
Yeah.
Is that the Pastafarian?
Yes. Did you read about that?
Years ago, yeah.
Yeah, the animal we just saw was a sophonophore that's known as a Bathyphysa conifera, also called the flying spaghetti monster. And the name comes from some people who saw it in 2015 and thought it looked like the flying spaghetti monster, which is part of a
Explain this.
parody religious movement called Pastafarianism.
TJ's Hyalonema.
Noted for having their national identity pictures taken with a strainer, a spaghetti strainer, a colander on their head.
No, really?
Yes. And claiming it as a religious object.
Oh my God.
It has been upheld by several courts, though, in the U.S. If you have a wedding ceremony, they encourage everyone to dress in traditional pirate gear.
Oh, nice. Oh,
I'll do that.
It's quite,
man,
it's quite a
that
funny
sounds
website.
great.
Look. Johan, I see you saw some nice images.
Yeah, think about how I can make it a Halloween costume. They do get a lot of hate mail from devout religious groups of other sorts, and
Where do they send the mail to?
well, emails.
Oh,
Yeah.
The Church of Soba noodles.
right.
Can't stand them.
Yeah, exactly. The rigatonis.
The pasta aisle at the
fettuccine.
market.
Oh, off to the left in Atalanta camera looks like a
Fish.
a fish.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, up.
Oh, right above you. If you come up or tilt up 10 centimeters, you'll see it.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Cuskeel.
Can't stay watching him for too long.
Can we zoom on
It's like a rat tail.
Quick zoom.
Oh, come on, show us your head.
Nope. Lost it.
No worries.
See if I can get it. Where'd it go? There it is.
Yeah, I've got to change my heading here and
Yeah.
get back out front.
We've seen those.
Is that a Cuskeel one, Adam?
That's what I thought, but
Yeah.
I'm a geologist, just
I didn't see the
caveating
head.
all my identifications.
Is the purpose of these observations and data collection to figure out what to protect and what's at risk?
I would say that's a potential use of the data collection. The data collection is to improve our knowledge of what's here. And that provides information for those that would make the decisions or would develop opinions and probably kind of vehemently on both sides of those different arguments, but doing so without the information would be, I think, lead to poorer decisions than having the information. So our goal is just to know what's on the seafloor, and that's what we do here or anywhere else in the ocean that hasn't been explored, and hopefully that advances science and informs policy and all of those things.
The Alaska folks came back. They're right behind North Star Elementary.
Oh, cool. So the Anchorage, Alaska school district, at least when our daughter went there, the kids, even in elementary school, go out for recess unless it's colder than 15 below Fahrenheit.
Whoa.
And so parents all volunteer and go and get them all in their snowsuits.
Yeah, because that is a major effort for kids, like to get them all bundled up.
And then they go out and they stand in the playground like a herd of yak taking turns on the outside. That's a nice area though. And my counterpart Dave, who I just relieved, still lives a little bit less than half the year in Anchorage.
Let me guess, the summer half.
No, actually, it's almost a lot of the winter.
Wow.
Yeah. Dave's American and was doing his tax reporting a couple years ago, and his preparer needed to know, where he qualified for residency, and he added up all the days and where he had spent them, which is very important to do. And for that year, Dave,
Nautilus.
yeah, I spent most of the year on Nautilus. But you can't declare that for residency, so go with the next highest number.
Really? If you spend most of your time in international waters, then...
You're still, even if you're an expat, you're still...
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, May can talk to that.
I have to pay Maine taxes, which is...
Really?
I have to pay state taxes somewhere, and I just never got around to moving my domicile.
To Connecticut?
No, to New Hampshire.
Oh.
Yeah, it's the U.S. doesn't really have a DTA agreement with other countries.
And you're still paying VAT on large purchases, right? Or all purchases. There's a little, maybe?
Would we be, there's one thing on. Would we be doing these observations if there wasn't an intent to mine?
Yeah,
That's
I mean,
the
we
point.
do them other places. I mean, for this expedition, we are partnering with the Seabed Minerals Authority, which is the group that does knowledge generation for Cook Islands in their deep waters. So in that sense, perhaps that's drawn some attention to this particular area, but what we do here, we do in all the waters that we're in. So maybe the answer is yes, a little bit, that we're here because of the extra interest in this area.
I think in general, because we're in the Mare Moana, and in general, if you're trying to manage the marine environment from shallow water to deep waters, it's really helpful to have a sense of what's there, kind of no matter what the activities in question are being discussed. So we've done quite a bit of this type of work in marine sanctuaries, marine national monuments, and in just other parts of the ocean. And it helps inform best management practices. But the baseline information of understanding what's on the seafloor and what the habitats look like is really what we're doing out here.
And even what the seafloor looks like. I mean, you're watching the ROV dive now, but we've done quite a lot of bathymetric mapping of the seafloor during this expedition as well.
And there's so much of the ocean is unexplored. It's important to keep learning about it, whether there's minerals there or not.
Yeah.
Yeah. Were you guys investigating any of the shipwrecks for seeing if they're rupturing fuel tanks or not?
No.
No?
You mean in the Solomons?
Yeah, in the Solomons.
No, we were primarily doing non-invasive visual imagery surveys for more of a kind of cultural lens at it, documenting the history of what happened from kind of an archaeological perspective and a historical perspective, and less so about kind of other contemporary
impacts.
concerns, yeah, and impacts.
Yeah, I did recently look at, there are some sensors that you can use for seeing hydrocarbons in the water, fluorometers. I was looking at getting one for our little ROV because, you know, we'd like to use it for emergency response, and that's what the emergency responders were really interested in, was can you tell if it's leaking fuel?
Interesting white thing just coming up on frame edge right.
Oh, I see.
To the right?
There it goes. Yeah, just on that frame. Right there.
Oh, yeah. Stalked.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Is it? That's you.
Ed's taken over finding all our stuff.
Thank you. You almost said identifying, and you knew that was a mistake.
Finding.
Oh. Can I have a little bit of tether out?
Where's our TMS?
Oh, but lucky Adam pays his taxes every year at the Auckland Town Hall.
Who was that?
That's
Lima. Or Teuru. Or Eva. Or Svenlina. Listen.
Quick zoom there, then I'll get moving
Okay.
again.
That's probably sufficient. Oh.
Brisingid.
Yeah.
Or crinoid. I can't really
Just chose a bad place to anchor, I think.
Good morning from Norfolk, UK. What do you wish you could have collected on this dive, given that you can't sample on Little Herc?
Frequent flyer miles.
I think it is definitely all the things that we keep seeing that look like giant shark's teeth. I would love to know what those are. And they could very well be giant shark teeth, megalodon teeth.
I'd like to try the cusk eel, for science, of course.
Fish are very hard to sample. Anything that locomotes.
What is it?
TJ, what would you like to sample? Nodules?
Nah. I've done a bit of holothurian, rat-tail fish, Brisingid, sponges. Not too sure at this point, to be honest.
Keep your options open.
Yeah, definitely.
Don't lie, I know you want to try the cusk eel as well.
I don't think it'd be good. And we do not eat any of our deep sea samples.
Definitely not.
We put them in protective custody.
Custody?
Oh my God.
What? I just...
How?
Sorry, did I say that out loud? I was supposed to be in my head.
You're getting influenced by ants.
Can you pass that headset up here so I can work on it for a little bit?
Yeah.
Gonna work on. But no, no. Not for you. Dave and I are working on a project that combines a headset and a shock collar.
Is that the thing you wanted me to beta test? Okay, is that just a pile of sediment there? Yes, it is.
Could be a skate or a ray. You never know.
Okay, zoom on it real quick. Gotta know.
Sediment.
Now I gotta know.
It looks like something burrowing.
It's sediment.
Because it's
Isn't it?
conical, right?
Yeah.
Hey, look, someone's cracking up laughing at Cascady.
Lol.
Lol, ruffle.
Oh.
Oh gosh.
In the air. How do I do that time? Is that better?
And there.
I'm there.
And there,
I do too much of a D.
Yeah.
and there.
It's kind of hard saying R's in French. They're not easy.
Yeah, I struggle.
You don't roll. Do you roll the R's?
It's like in
No.
the back
It's
of
like,
the throat, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they're kind of like rounded in this weird way. No.
Not too much?
No.
And please don't.
Yeah, stop. Don't ever do that again. That is not c'est bon.
C'est bon, c'est bon.
C'est bon, c'est bon. So, mate, can you speak French fluently?
As far as you know.
Ouais, j'habite à Paris depuis 4 ans.
Oui.
Je suis né à Chicago. Je
Oui.
travaille dans un bateau pour 3 mois chaque année.
Did I hear Chicago in there?
Ouais.
Ah.
I was born in Chicago. I live in Paris. I'm working on a boat 3 months a year. Giving you my little intro spiel.
Excellent. That's so
You
good.
should do your intro in
Tu comprends?
French in the next watch.
We should just
Tu comprends? Do you
everybody
understand?
do it in a second language. I'm going to do mine in American Sign Language.
TJ,
You'll have to turn and look at the video camera.
we should teach our A team how to introduce themselves in Māori.
Oh.
So in the by the end of this expedition, you guys should be able to introduce yourself in Māori.
Yes, I
Just like
second that.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Papa Adam.
Ankara.
Ankara. You're Ankara
Ankara.
Atamu.
Madam.
Atamu.
You say it so well, Adam. Well done.
I'm a mimic.
Here's a test. Does anyone remember what hello is in Cook Islands Māori?
Kia orana.
Wow.
Kia orana.
Kia
Kia
orana.
orana. Roll the R's. Kia
Kia-
orana.
Kia orana.
At the back of your throat like the French. Kia ora.
Meitaki.
Meitaki.
Hey, oh,
Meitaki
good one,
mata.
mate.
Meitaki atupaki. Wait,
Taka, yeah.
atupaka.
So good.
That's for saying like big thank you in Aitutaki.
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah.
well done.
That's, yeah.
I also
Good
know
big-
how to sign it off of an email. Kia manuia.
Kia manuia.
Wow.
Oh, man. You're
Hey,
halfway there.
you're halfway there.
I got a little dictionary going. I got my notes.
I'm actually thoroughly impressed.
Very, very impressed.
I can see, I feel like I can sense Ed's enthusiasm. So.
It's coming off him in waves. Is that what I'm feeling?
Tone it down a bit, please,
He's
Ed.
shaped by the wind. It's like billowing with enthusiasm.
Well, since everyone knows the hello, kia orana, the second bit will be, my name is
Okay.
Tōku ingoa ko.
Let's get that one more time.
Tōku
Toku
ingoa
ingoa
ko
ko
Adam.
Adam.
My
Atamu.
name is Adam.
Toku
Do-
ingoa ko Atamu.
Or totu.
Tōku.
T-O-K-U.
So,
Yes.
but I'm hearing a th, right?
Toku.
T-O-K-U, one word.
Toku. But not, are you saying th instead of tuh?
No, it's like more like a D.
Yeah.
Teiru, like
Yes.
Teiru is saying that when you say her name, It's less like a t and more like a d.
It's not so sharp.
Yeah, it's the same as my name too.
Ah, yeah.
Would you
Donga.
like
I
to
guess all
zoom on
T.
this one?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah, let's
carry
zoom.
on?
No, zoom
Oh,
it.
yes.
Okay.
Doku.
Let me just
Oh,
set
even
down.
said too good, MA.
Okay, go
Just
for
saying,
zoom.
someone just complimented you, saying too good.
Too
Oh,
good.
wow.
May, you are now from Aichitaki.
Wow. Cool.
Okay, let me get a little
It's not a
observation on that.
cycropody.
Okay, got it.
Got it.
Why do you always say Cycropodes?
What is the
'Cause it's so
family
easy to
of
remember.
that thing?
Of, it's an echinoderm.
Okay, that's
Echinoderm.
fine.
Oh, sorry. That was a little
You said it.
spicy.
Wow, getting shaped by the wind over here.
Dan, ROV volunteers to
Holothurians?
test it on himself. What is different about your research to the research that has been happening for the last 4 years by mining companies?
One difference is that we're streaming it live and letting everyone kind of participate and making all the data immediately public. So that's one difference. The other difference is we've got a better camera.
You're right about that one.
And crew?
We have a better camera. No, I actually don't know everything that they've done because it's not necessarily public. So whether they've been using ROVs to make benthic observations, I couldn't say. Their mapping they've done is excellent. And we've been adding to it during this expedition. And yeah.
I think the other big difference is that we are not a mining company. We are
Ding, ding, ding.
a non-profit, and we're partnering with a government agency, not a mining company, to make publicly available data that is really impartial, trying to understand the...
Yeah, but I'm not trying to denigrate the mining companies. They may be doing an excellent job. It's just that we don't know what they're doing necessarily.
We have greetings from the Wabanakik. That's
Sorry, what?
the Wabanakik.
Wabanaki. Oh, cool.
What's that?
North American First Nations.
Yeah, that's the indigenous people of Maine.
Of Maine.
Wabanaki.
Nice.
Hello.
Wabanaki.
I love ceratid isopods. Do any of you like them, or any of their cousins too? And if you do you have a favorite? I'm going to have to Google what that is. Ceratid.
Ceratid isopods.
Oh,
cool.
That's cool.
yum.
I like those.
What?
Stop saying yum. We don't eat our samples.
Oh, they're tiny.
Yeah, isopods are cool, but like definitely the coolest cousin of that I've ever seen is the giant isopod. That they're kind of like the pill bugs of the sea, but oh look, there's our double tracks.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and a fresh one at that.
Wow.
Oh,
Double tracks. These are so funky. They're kind of not as uniform as the other ones. Like there's some tracks in between tracks.
Mm-hmm.
But over there is a bit more.
Yeah. That one's a G. Do you see that?
wow. It'd be fascinating if the Atalanta could capture what it looks like from above.
Oh yeah, and it spells something?
Yeah.
That'd be cool. Yeah, these are slightly disorganized, I feel like.
Too good, eh, mate? There's definitely someone from the Kukanas watching.
Nice. Wait, so what was the rest of how we introduced ourselves? Toku?
Doku ingwa ko.
How do you spell the second part? Toku?
I-N-G-O-A.
O-A.
Which
And then
means name.
space, and then K-O. And then your name.
Toku ingwa ko atamu.
Yes,
Atamu.
Adam.
That is
You're
that.
fast learners.
My name is.
Yes,
Okay.
my name is.
We're going to find out that's not what it is at all. So when we get back there, people are going to be like,
I'll
what did you say to
never do
me?
that
What
to
did you call
you.
me?
It's a holothurian and something straight ahead, dark. Might be a rock.
Yeah, a little bit to the right, I see.
Oh, yeah,
On
big
the
one.
center.
Can we zoom on that?
Yep. Go for floating zoom there, and
Floating partial. Aw.
Nice. Thank you.
Got it?
Yep. Yeah, what is that? I'm not going to circle it because it might be a rock.
Urging.
Oh, it looks like could be a
Holothurian.
holothurian.
Oh, it looks like one of our
yeah.
ballast
It's going to
droppers.
take off. I think it's the pressure wave that the ROV is sending out in front of us that gets it going.
All right, there it is. Get in there with the zoom.
yeah, go for
Yes,
zoom.
Can you turn the lasers off?
Yeet.
Hello.
Oh, that was a flamboyant. Wow. Good form.
Nice.
Great performance.
Cool.
Oosh.
I wish I could be that flexible.
Yeah.
Let's just let it go out of frame.
Yes.
Thank you. And slow pull up.
And fade to black.
And
Perfect.
scene.
And scene. Pull that focus.
One more time with feeling.
Yeah.
One more time, but without Adam talking.
Top left. Have you guys zoomed on these tracks? I mean, it looks like sediment being pushed up by a burrowing organism.
That's what I thought too. I don't know if it's coming from above or below. We haven't zoomed on this watch, but I think someone else
Previous
did.
has.
Yeah.
Did you want to zoom on that one?
No.
No. Okay.
We'll get
Yeah,
more
we
of
should-
it. I think
I
there's
should
plenty
get
of
out
it.
in front anyways. Whoops.
Whoa.
Coming in hot.
Yeah.
Hyalonema.
Speaking of mining,
Yes, nice.
Oh, I
Hyalonema.
just narrowly
Oh,
escaped
wow.
touching down.
stubbing your toe.
Oh, there's something to the left there. What's that?
That's a little
Floaty.
floaty.
Might be a fish.
A
It's
fish.
a fish.
Oh, that's
Oh.
an interesting fish.
That's a
Get that
very
on.
fish-like fish.
Oh yeah, let's get a, that's
Oh,
cool.
that's awesome.
I don't think we've seen that one before.
No.
Yeah.
And it's gone.
All right, let me see if I
Okay.
can find
Fish guide.
fish guide.
Fish good.
There, and he just swam
Is it
just
a...
around us there.
No.
No.
If not,
Good.
did I...
Can be hazardous
it's
for
not
a
in the
fish
fish
swimming
guides
by
of
an ROV.
Discovery.
I think the fish guide is kind of short, though.
It is short. Well, the reason it didn't look like any of the others we saw is its like tail fin was like the kind of fishy, like double palmed. I don't know. Sorry, don't ask a geologist.
Like a fish
Right.
tail?
It was fishy.
It was like a fish tail. Thank you.
It looked very much like a fish.
Didn't know the technical term.
With like a fork.
Fish.
Yes. Yes.
How many different words do you have to describe different rocks, being a geologist?
So a lot of words.
Right.
Tons.
How many different words are there on Cook Islands for snow? None.
Frozen rain?
Don't know, actually.
Is there words for snow? Probably not.
Because we don't have snow.
No.
Oh, I did not bring a sweatshirt. That was a mistake.
Where am I at? 69 and 23.
All right.
Getting a little bit rough outside.
Yeah.
To all our visitors, welcome if you've just joined us, and for those that are continuing to listen. We have friends from the US, UK, Canada, Aotearoa, Ukraine, Sweden. Sweden, look, I got you here. I turned that filter off. Norway, Netherlands, Malaysia, Japan, Italy, Hungary, Cook Islands. That's Hungary and Cook Islands, not Hungary, Cook Islands. And Australia. Oh, it could be Hungary, Cook Islands.
How do you say hi in Hungary? Hungary.
Hungarian?
I don't believe they pronounce it Hungary.
Yeah.
Hungary, what is that? Let's see, let's take a look.
It's usually when you haven't eaten in a long time.
It's,
We're getting quite a bit of attention at those weird tracks.
Udvazlam.
Oh, that's not what I got.
Oh, you had hi. I have hello. Udvazlam. Oh.
Huh. Well, I got hello. Hello.
Hello.
Let's see, let's try good morning. What's this thing? Joe Regelt.
That's what I got too.
Okay.
Joe Reglet.
Let me try hello again. That was weird.
I don't find pronunciation marks to be easily understood or intuitive.
Udvazlo. Udvazlo.
Sweden says thanks. Got you.
Nice.
Got you.
Hedge. Sweden.
Has anyone seen any shark's teeth lately?
A while back.
No.
No.
Actually, I haven't seen much at all on this slope, huh?
It feels like we're coming up more than we have been.
Yeah, you kind of lost the dark horizon there, yeah? A little bit of it.
Yep. Should do the math on what that slope was on the last dive. It was very slight.
It was like non-existent, yeah.
Slope calculator. Rise of 80 meters over What was
So
it,
in the view
7,000?
from Atalanta, what is that ring of light in the distance? Oh, we're illuminating a little hill, yeah? Is that what
So
that
we
is?
have a forward light, and we also have a light in the back of the ROV. Is that what you're talking about?
No, I was looking at that kind of
Oh, I see what you're
arcuate
saying.
shape,
Yeah,
but
no,
I think
you're
it's
about to
just
see
this,
it.
exactly,
Devoid
a
of,
little rise of sediment.
which would probably indicate that there's a bigger rise ahead, but I don't know. I don't see it on sonar.
Yeah, it was funny. It looked like a distinct pool of light, but it was just changing the slope of the seafloor.
Okay, and we may have to start. Oh, yeah. It's
You
already
guys-
coming up on the winch.
You seeing that on sonar? Maybe the rings are further apart than I'm expecting them.
Yeah, they're 10 meters per division there, so that's 20 meters from the rock face there.
There's another Hyalonema. Hyalonema glass sponge, that is.
Johan, how long was our last track on the last dive? Was that 10 kilometers?
It was 10 kilometers, yeah.
10 clicks.
So I've got a slope of 0.5 degrees, or 0.8% on average on that last dive. Not a lot.
You could really feel it. It's like if you put the first level of incline on the treadmill.
Except on the ship that ranges between -4 and +3.
Yeah, I like it better when the treadmills run fore and aft than the beam of the ship.
So holothurian, sea star, brittle star.
Yeah, I also prefer my bed fore and aft.
Yeah.
It's pretty rough in the EL cabin.
Yeah, mine is fore and aft.
If you pick the wrong side to sleep on, you just get blood rushing to your head.
Last night there was something rattling around in one of my drawers, but I was too tired to deal with it. I'm like, oh, I'll eventually ignore this.
How long did it keep you up?
5 minutes.
Okay.
Wow, this is a nice wall.
Yeah, it's still coming up. Yeah, starting to see over it. Maybe not very much.
It's a really dominant sponge around here.
The Hyalonema.
Yeah. You know what's crazy? Despite the fact that 80% of the volcanism on this planet happens in the ocean, there's only been 3 times where an active eruption has been observed in the deep sea.
Where were those?
West Mata, which is in this neck of the woods. It's like around Fiji. No, not Fiji, east of the trench. And then northwest Rhoda, which is in the Mariana Arc. And the East Pacific Rise was the last one just recently.
Where's the Jason footage from?
Well, both of the first 2.
Ah, okay.
But that was the one with the kind of exploding bubbles of lava is the West Mata one. I love those when the sound is on, because it's all people going, whoa, whoa.
It's really cool.
The most recent one was Alvin that made the observation.
Yeah, Caitlin was piloting.
Oh, yeah?
And I think they were there the day before, and then the day after. Things looked quite different.
It's kind of a wild slope here.
Yeah.
I think I've accepted that I'm a poor identifier of sponges. They all look the same to me.
Give yourself 150 more hours of this. I'd love a zoom on that one.
Okay. I'll get a little closer to get a little more light towards it.
Sorry.
Okay, go for zoom.
Fine.
Do it flying.
Oh, it's a cool sponge.
It is a sponge.
It's got a really thin
Super
stalk.
thin.
Where's a base? Kind of lost down there somewhere.
A very thin stalk.
Little type of HEX. I've just been looking at
Gonna
those.
do it tight, see if I can get it in focus.
Looks like a... Oh, that's not a Simpagella, is it?
Got an associated up top.
Give me a page number, Tonga.
And go wide, please.
Coming now.
'Why isn't this working?
70. Oh my gosh, I was just on the page.
No,
Nah, surely not one of those.
it's not working.
37. Nah, I can't be that. Stalk
There's
was
a
a lot.
shrimp or something there in mid-screen.
Oh yeah.
Oh
sure.
yeah, hanging on the rock.
Go for zoom.
No.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Did you get that one?
Yeah, got it.
I'll
Just
be
gonna come
dropping
out
here in
a
half
little
a second.
bit.
Yeah. There we go.
Come in a little bit.
What long legs you have.
Oh, that's a good one.
Look at the
Wow.
reflective stuff
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
its antennae.
It's really cool. Why? I want this page, but it won't open.
So got a little update on that fish we saw earlier.
Oh.
The fish-like tail, in quotes, is its caudal fin. Best guess is Abyssobarix,
Oh.
which was recorded in a paper about fish in the CCZ, co-authored by one of our scientists ashore.
Shout out to Amanda for that information,
Thanks, Amanda.
and to Astrid
Thanks, Astrid.
for the paper. I gotta find that fish. Found it.
Ah, just going back to that Hungarian, the J is pronounced as a Y.
Yo. Oh, that makes sense. Thank you for the correction.
And in the Netherlands, they say good morgen
Good
Good.
morgen.
Good
Morgen.
morgen.
Good morgen.
for good morning. Are there obvious differences between other areas you have done research in comparison to the Cook Islands waters so far?
Yeah. I mean, actually, this seamount that we're going up is kind of reminiscent of a lot of places we go. We tend to gravitate towards these large features that stick up from the seafloor, but the abyssal plain sites is deeper and flatter than we usually are doing our exploration at. So that was really cool to see that totally different environment. And of course, we are often using Hercules, which is rated to 4,000 meters, and we've been deeper than that. Although we've just passed it, we're now at 3,900 for this dive, but deeper than that is unusual for us on Nautilus.
There's another sponge to the right, I think.
Yep.
Yeah.
Looks like a Farreidae. It's a cool lava feature.
Is that another Sacco? What do you call that one, Adam?
Adam's gone, but I think that's a... I thought that was a Farreidae.
I'm betting Adam comes back with a sweatshirt.
No, we can find it. This one's definitely in the guide.
Or some paper and a lighter.
Yeah, I think it's this one. It's a Farreidae.
All right.
Yeah, page 69.
69.
Oh, excuse me.
Stay woke and stay woke.
Sorry. I didn't mean to away out loud.
Away?
Away.
Is that, I'm guessing, a yawn?
Cry.
It's
Cry
more like,
for
yeah,
help.
cry. You'd use it at any inconvenience though. Getting out of your car and you've got a sore back. Away.
Oh, nice.
Sitting down and you've got a sore back. Away.
Or you see someone fall.
Away.
Brisingid.
Or you see some kids
Oh,
getting in
nice.
trouble. Away.
I'll get that one.
Oh, I've missed. I swear some of these comments are coming in quite delayed.
Do you still have that one viewer from the Cook Islands tuned in?
We
There's a
have.
sponge.
Wee.
There's a,
I think
that's a
that's
Hyalonema, I think. Yeah.
I think that's Nettie.
Yes. Yeah, I just saw
Yeah.
Nat, if you're watching. Thank you for your support. Love you.
Yeah, thanks, Nat.
How long ago did you guys see that fish, the Abyssoberax? Let me have a look at the log.
Yeah, I just updated it.
That was 33 minutes ago.
7:31.
Yeah.
UTC.
Oh,
Yeah.
23 minutes ago. I can't math. TJ, we got a yes. Kia ora, ngā tanga and ants. Ants, you're the best. Thanks for representing the Cook Islands. Tell tanga to up her game, please. That's what they said.
Are you sure? I'm sure it says tell ants to take his headset off.
Eject.
And how do we know, was it Nat, our other viewer?
Yeah, our viewer from New Zealand, Ant.
Yeah.
Plot just I submitted that from my phone.
Been done.
Oh, she tagged us in a Instagram story. She's
Nice.
watching live.
She shared the link.
Who's that?
Yeah, she shared the link.
She's my sister.
All right.
Fantastic. Seen a lot of these large sponge remnants, but haven't seen large sponges.
Yeah, I think
What happened?
I've definitely experienced that on a dive. We're going up a seamount. We see a bunch of detritus from big sponges, and then we get up higher. We see them. Look at this river of nodules coming down. That's wild.
It's like, you can see in Atalanta, it's like really pretty straight line from the bottom of the slope.
Cool. Can't see the other side of it.
For all our viewers, we are, if you're not on the Grafana, we've got the Little Herc and the Atalanta at around 3,890 meters depth. And we are exploring this seamount. It's quite different to the environment that we had in the dive, our last dive, which was an abyssal plain riddled with seabed nodules that were quite consistent in shape and size.
But here on Mount Tonga, it's very different. Did I just name it after you?
What? Tonga.
Mount Tonga. Tonga. I'm trying to, if I think too hard about that TD thing,
Tonga.
it's going to screw me up. Mount
Tonga.
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 Mine is with an A.
Tonga.
At the end.
Mount Tonga.
Tonga.
T-A-N-G-A. Tanga.
Tanga.
Like tongue.
Yeah,
Tanga.
like that,
Oh.
eh?
Tanga.
Tanga, yeah.
Perfect.
Perfecto. Oui, oui. C'est bon.
C'est bon.
Perfecto is
Spanish.
it's not French. Perfect in French is parfait.
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 Parfait, c'est parfait.
Parfait.
A buffet?
Yeah, I'm all for it. Sure thing, chicken wing. Are we looking to find anything specific right now? No, we're doing the survey just to get a continuous visual and environmental data.
We are focused in on megafauna, right?
Yeah.
So things bigger than a couple centimeters.
Like that shrimp we can see in the screen. Oh. Look at it go.
I think that's 1.4 centimeters. We need to ignore
Oh.
How about this thing right there?
Yeah, what is that?
But we're looking at the benthic megafauna, substrate types, and environmental conditions.
Okay, go for zoom.
Coming in.
These nodules look like the most round we've seen on this leg, no?
These nods.
This,
That is a strange little
it's a
tube.
It's got to be a sponge, right? But it looks like a tube worm, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coming out.
Tube worm.
I have a love-hate relationship with this guy, Tonga.
Hey.
I've gotten pretty into the NOAA guide.
Oh, have you?
Yeah, but I'm frustrated with it because it's not working anymore.
I feel like I'm missing a few things from that guide, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, how about this? Bathyxiphus? Oh no, that's blade-shaped.
You think that that was a living sponge?
It didn't look healthy, but
Lemon sponge?
living.
Oh, living. Sorry.
I think it was on its way out, but there might be some.
If it's got food in there, ants all over it. What's it taste like?
How long do sponges typically live?
Oh, they can live really long. Can live like, I think the oldest ones are like.
I think they're super hard to date, though.
I had read somewhere like there was a sponge that was like 10,000 years old or something.
10,000?
Let me check.
Man, that's just a little bit longer than Rennie's been on this ship.
Yeah, I think there, if I remember right, that some deep sea sponges are older than the oldest corals from the deep sea, which are quite old as well.
Yeah, it makes sense. Like life, and metabolism, very slow down here.
The arc of this slope looks like outer space pictures of the atmosphere.
Yeah. You guys ever seen like the photos the astronauts took on the moon, like with just regular cameras? They give me vertigo to see. It's just wild.
Like the Earthrise photo?
No, but like just as they are walking around taking pictures.
Oh, right.
I don't know, I start thinking about a pinhole in their suits and like I get freaked out.
Okay, so Antarctic glass sponges grow at a rate of 0.01 to 0.1 millimeter per year.
Jeepers.
So there are some that are estimated to be between 10 and 15,000 years old.
Dang.
Woo,
That's old.
to be a glass sponge.
Can I have a little bit more tether? Yep, or umbilical. Thank you.
Well, guys, as promised, halfway of the watch.
Ha ha.
We got some Whitaker's
Yes.
coconut slab chocolates. Not too sure if you can see this on the screen.
Wait, is that the gold packaging?
It
yeah.
is.
Wait, you know about the gold packaging?
Yeah, is it the white chocolate with the coconut in it?
It's
It's not
brown
white.
chocolate
Ah,
with
the
coconut.
coconut in it.
no, that
Yeah.
might be right, yeah. I'll have to see the package later.
Whitaker's. I have never
So
heard
to
of
our
this
viewers,
before.
if you
It's
can
very
see
exciting.
I'm going to spend an entire day rate
The A
on
team
those,
TJ coming through with the
taste
goods.
bring them home.
the Whitaker's
The
coconut
soup,
slab
soup.
chocolate from Aotearoa, New Zealand.
We call
Pass
these
it
things morale boosters on the Vaka, especially if you're getting up at 3 a.m. and it's raining and it's cold and it's rough and you're on the deck just getting saturated and you need a bit of morale boosting. You whip out the Whitakers, bang,
Come up
everyone
a little.
is
Yeah,
happy.
thanks.
So a boost of morale,
Merci
guys.
beaucoup. De nada.
Merci.
No, it's just like gracias or something, not de nada.
A little update on the sponge facts.
Oh yeah, what do we got?
So the Guinness World Record for the longest
Yeah, I
lived
think we got to
species of
come
sponge
up a little bit on Atalanta.
Okay.
is an Antarctic hexactinellid called Scolimastra jubini. And it's estimated to be 23,000 years old.
Wow.
Shucks.
Thank you.
Adam, you did not hold back. You almost ate your mic with it.
Yeah, I know, I did. Almost pushed it in my mouth. That was very good.
There you go, TJ. Grateful for technology and access to your POV. Oh, that's an acronym that we didn't use yesterday. That's commonly used on social media. POV.
Yep.
What's that? Point of view.
Yep.
Yeah, that's very commonly used, actually.
Good night, everyone. Natty from the best village in Rarotonga.
Oh.
Te tika veka.
Yay! Good night, Natty. Thank you for tuning in.
What are the night skies like on Nautilus? Yeah,
What are the what?
the night skies.
Night skies.
Night skies.
I
Okay.
love a good night sky, but I often
Same.
find on ships like this, it's too bright from the deck, but
Actually,
I haven't had the chance.
when you go up to is it the monkey
Monkey
Mhm.
deck.
monkey deck?
What did
Yeah.
you call me? No.
Mm.
Hey. The monkey deck is not too
nice.
bright.
When
I'm gonna check it out.
we started, it was both a bit cloudy, but also the moon was so full, it was kind of hard to see any stars. I haven't been up there in a few days.
Actually, just before we left Varro to come on this leg, the moon was really, really huge. Hey,
Yeah.
did you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was on the 8th of November.
Mm.
That was Marangi. That's the
October.
Māori name.
October, not November.
Yeah, that's the Māori name for full moon. Marangi.
Marangi.
What's that thing up ahead?
How do you spell that? A-R.
Oh, it's a
A
pile of
left or
sediment.
to the right?
No, never mind. It's a pile of sediment.
Okay.
Marangi.
I'm desperate.
M-G-I. Marangi.
And then
Marangi.
Marangi.
the night after that
Marangi.
is Turu. That's the next phase of the moon.
Like the next night, just after it's full?
Yep.
True.
So it starts its waning phase.
TJ #1, thank you so very much for the chocolate. It is so appreciated.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Of course,
Yeah, love it.
guys.
Thank you.
There's 3 more here if anyone would like some more.
Or we all dive over the console and start fighting.
Yeah, honestly, that was so delicious.
How do you say, how are you? Or something like that.
How do you say what's up in
In Maori?
Yeah.
Pe ea koi.
Pe ea koi.
Yes.
Be,
Oh,
be
perfect.
a koi.
Pe ea, so P-E-E-A, and in space, K-O-E.
Pe ea
Pe,
koi.
pe a koi.
Pe ea koi.
So there's
Pe
a
koi.
glottal stop between the pe and air. So it's a
Pe
so you
ea
can
koi.
pe ea koi.
Pe a koi.
And then that's when you could say good big
Good big. I love that phrase.
or just good.
Meitaki atupaka.
Meitaki.
Me tax
Atupaka.
atupax.
Atupax.
Me taki atupaki.
Meitaki maata.
Yes.
Pe a koi. Kakite.
Hello from Louisiana. Should be saying goodnight, but I'm too invested in this. It's 3 a.m. right now.
Wow.
Oh, man, get some
impressive.
sleep.
Yeah.
We'll tell you what happens.
We're going to be on again in 12. Oh, is it 12 hours? No, 8 hours, 9 hours.
Actually, I think,
10 hours.
wait, oh yeah, in the morning we'll be on, and then we'll probably be recovering after, sometime after that.
Wee wee.
All right, we got Brisingid.
Brisingid. that gesture.
Just like,
We've got a Brisingid.
Good night, Sky. I use
Can
Asahi
you
Astro
zoom on that real
Live.
quick?
Yep.
Brian from
Oh.
NZ.
You don't need
Is that an app? Because I use
There you go.
Stellarium.
that's good. We know
Same
what
as
it
all
is.
the others?
Okay.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Thanks.
Is it pronounced as Brisingid or Brisingid?
I say jid, but I don't know if that's absolutely correct.
Jid.
I think if you want to go gid, go gid.
Do you guys
Go
say GIF or
get
GIF?
him.
I say jid. Tonga
Oh,
says
yeah.
gid.
No,
Do you
GIF.
say
GIF.
GIF or
Yeah.
GIF
Jif?
Yeah.
or GIF.
I
GIF
always
or
say
GIF?
Jif.
Yeah.
Oh, I say gif.
I say GIF
Oh.
because it's
Definitely GIF.
well
Adam,
graphic.
I was hoping you'd join me.
You say
on-
GIF?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
But
Well, in the wrong?
I'm-
You want them to be wrong?
no, I can see why. But it's an acronym, yeah?
That's why I asked GIF. That was the third option.
And it stands for something format?
Graphics
Interface?
interchange, I believe.
format.
Nice.
Yeah, not graphics.
And what is
Another-
TIFF stand for?
Ooh.
Who?
TIFF.
Oh, like the image files?
Yeah,
dot-
TIFF.
But it's sometimes TIF and sometimes TIFF.
It's an operating system truncation.
Tagged image file or tagged image file format.
Oh.
Tagged imaged file.
It's a great format because it supports a whole bunch of things you don't find elsewhere.
Yeah, a lot of metadata spots in there for...
And alpha channels, and it can have a lot of resolution. And also be ginormous.
And pretty uncompressed, right?
It's totally not glossy,
it's
right?
Not, yeah. That's where ping was a nice compromise. Post JPEG
Wait.
world.
Did you say ping? Because I called it PNG.
Yeah.
You mean portable network graphics?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Somebody's on the Wikipedia page.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ping it would be less confusing with Papua New Guinea.
Yeah. I just realized that. Oh, what's that?
Pile of sediment. Oh no, it's something.
Sponge.
Sponge.
Looks like a funnel sponge.
That one is in the guide.
Hard G.
Looks like there's something else off in the distance right behind you too.
Untitled.
Go ahead and zoom.
Yeah, let's check something here. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's Untitled of some sort.
$23.